They were very welcoming. It was a lot to take in. It was very easy to feel at home. And I think the gratitude and the spirit that the students and the teachers have for the school was shared to us, and it was felt wholeheartedly.
I'm on the U.S. national team for fencing. Across all my travels, I have never been so immersed in culture as I have been here. And what's more is that they teach me about why those traditions exist, and it is amazing. As an American, I don't have these traditions. Yeah, I see the traditions here that go back thousands of years. It's really beautiful.
This cultural exchange will broaden their horizon and deepen their understanding and respect for Tibetan culture. I believe that through this exchange activity, our students will have awareness and appreciation of Chinese culture. This will not only contribute to their personal growth, but also lay a solid foundation for their future international development. I hope that the friendship between our students will last long, and we will look forward for more opportunities for exchange to cooperate in the future.